this guide, I'm going to show you how you can see your old Instagram stories, even from years ago. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it would just help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This is going to work on both your iPhone and your Android device, but essentially open up Instagram and tap on your profile icon down in the bottom right. And from here, you're going to see your regular post, but your old stories aren't going to show up here. To see your old stories, tap the three lines up in the top right, and then go ahead and scroll down a little bit, and you're going to see an archive section. Open that up, and make sure you're specifically in the stories archive. You can filter this up at the very top, but select story archive, and you're going to see all of your past stories organized by date. You can scroll years and years back. Sometimes you even see reminders like on this day from 5+ years ago. As you can see, I have this one from a year ago when I was running this sports betting site. But from here, you can repost the story, add it to highlights, save it to your camera roll, share it again, whatever you want. If you don't see anything though, just make sure your story archive setting is turned on. But that is it. It really is that simple. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.